In this video, I will show you how to save passwords in Google Chrome. If this guide helps you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video so others can find it as well. So simply open up google.com on your computer and click on the three dots that you see right here on the right hand corner of your screen. Scroll all the way to the bottom and select Settings. Under Settings, you're going to select Autofill and Passwords right here on the left, and then click on Google Password Manager. This is where you can create, save, and manage all your passwords, and this is going to make it so much easier for you to actually log in to apps or sites that you use every single day. So, if you want to add or create a new password, you're simply going to click on Add, and you're going to type in first the site. So let's say I want to save my Amazon password. Then you're going to add your username or your Gmail account, whichever it is. And then go ahead and add your password. In case you want to add a note, you also have the option to do that. And once you're done, click on Save. And now every time that I open Amazon, I'm able to automatically add my password because it's already saved in Chrome. And that's it. I hope this video helped you.